Want to unlock faster speeds on your iPhone? Here's how to turn on 5G step by step. First, launch your Settings app. Now, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Then you can head back. Go to the main page of Settings. Now navigate to the option Cellular. Click on the option Cellular Data Options. Click on the option Voice and Data. You'll see three options over here: 5G on, 5G auto and LTE. Check in for the option 5G on if you want to use 5G always. Check in for the option 5G auto. This will switch to 5G only when needed. Saves battery. If you check in for the option LTE, it will disable 5G. Choose 5G auto or 5G on to enable it. Make sure your carrier supports 5G and that you are in 5G coverage area. Otherwise, your iPhone will stay on LTE. And that's it. You have just enabled 5G on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.